Hey everyone, smoking some trout today. Alright guys, let's smoke some trout. Before we smoke it, we have to do a wet brine or dry brine. Here's a wet brine. It's water, salt, sugar. We're going to mix that up and then put your fish in there skin side up. We're going to place this in the fridge overnight to let it brine. This is a dry brine. It's made up of salt, sugar, paprika, some mustard, and we're going to put this all over the fish. And what the brine does is it pulls water out of the fish, helps preserve it, and you definitely want to make sure you do this before you smoke your trout. Put this on a cookie sheet because it will have water come out of it. We're going to rinse these off once they're done brining, and then we're going to pat them dry with paper towels. You want to make sure you get these as dry as possible before we put it in front of a fan to create a pellicle, which I'll tell you more about in a second. This is just rinsing off the dry brine fillet, and again, pat it dry, get it really dry with those paper towels, and then put it in front of that fan. What that fan's going to do is create a pellicle, which is a thin film on the meat, and that helps the smoke adhere to the meat and slows the cooking process down as well. It takes about 3 to 4 hours. Once you have the pellicle, we're going to put these straight on the smoker, smoke at 180 degrees for about an hour. After an hour, I'm going to glaze one of these with a 50-50 mixture of honey and syrup, and just do that every 20 or 30 minutes until it reaches 145 internal. And that's it. Enjoy.